Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and today I will show you how to convert an OFX file to QIF format and import into Quicken 2017 for Windows. We will use OFX to QIF utility, and you can download it at ProperSoft.net. Once downloaded and installed, start OFX to QIF and select an OFX file. Review transactions before converting. Make sure you convert in correct file. Before converting to QIF file, select QIF Target to match software you're converting for. We will convert for Quicken 2017, so we'll select Quicken 2017 for PC. Quicken 2017 requires account name to be provided in the QIF file. So the account name we will be importing into is Chicken. That's the account name. If you want to copy the account from the Quicken, you can edit the account and copy this name. So this account name must be matching what you have in Quicken, and account type must match what you have in Quicken. Click the Convert button to create a QIF file. Confirm the file name and the file location. Now switch to Quicken and select File, File Import, QIF file. Select Created QIF file. Make sure to select all account for Quicken 2017. For Quicken 2018 and later, you can select direct account here. For Quicken 2014, 17, you have to select all accounts. Click Import button, and transactions are imported now. You can review them, accept them, and that's it. Thank you for watching.